the size of a brick. From back in the day, now we just can't part with it. I go inside to pay him off into the porta cabin, but it's not enough. I got 24 hours, one used car and $4 to find. Yeah, I'm just a boy from the city. I'll take you down to the city. Something ugly turned up and I see 2 grizzly bears on my door, they wanna break me. Into the streets I race in my white fronts, I'm so scared I leave a trail on the pavement. If you see me then you don't see me, if you saw me then you didn't see me.
I think you ran around the corner about 25 seconds ago.
I'm just a boy from the city. I'll take you down to the city. I'm just a boy from the city. I'll take you down to the city. And then I saw that lot of limousine, and you know what I mean? Big fat long thing from Russia with cheese. They throw me in the boot with the 4K sound system. It's too loud to mention, my head's splitting open. And through the city we're on our way. I can hear them talking but don't know what they say. The bass drum's kicking in my gut and I'm thinking that I'm gonna throw up. I'm just a boy from a city. I'll take you down to the city. I'm just a boy from a city. I'll take you down to the city. My name is Mucho Mars are dealing second-hand imported Russian cars. You bring me no money, no respect. We'll see how much you're laughing when we break your legs. I said hang on, wait on, call off the Alsatian, I got a solution. You need a car wash, I'll pay my debts off. Mucho, what do you say? I'm just a boy from a city.